Health benefits of flax seeds. Flax seeds have been consumed for at least 6,000 years, making them one of the world's first cultivated superfoods. What does flaxseed do for you that makes it one of the most popular superfoods? Flax seeds contain anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, although not the same type that fish, such as salmon, do, along with antioxidant substances called lignans that help promote hormonal balance in addition to several other benefits of flaxseed. In this video we talk 9 health benefits of flax seeds that are backed by science. 1. Flaxseed fiber aids digestion. Flaxseed contains both soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps soften stool, so it can pass through the GI tracts and be eliminated more easily. Insoluble fiber helps stimulate the digestive system to move waste through the gut and promote bowel regularity. The two types of fiber work together to support digestive health. 2. Control blood sugar. Type 2 diabetes is a major health problem worldwide. It's characterized by high blood sugar levels as a result of either the body's inability to secrete insulin or resistance to it. A few studies have found that people with type 2 diabetes who added 10 to 20 grams of flaxseed powder to their daily diet for at least 1 month saw reductions of 8 to 20% in blood sugar levels. This blood sugar lowering effect is notably due to flax seeds' insoluble fiber content. Research has found that insoluble fiber slows down the release of sugar into the blood and reduces blood sugar. 3. They contain high-quality protein. Flax seeds are a great source of plant-based protein, and there's growing interest in flaxseed protein and its health benefits. Flaxseed protein is rich in the amino acids arginine, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Numerous lab and animal studies have shown that flaxseed protein helped improve immune function, lowered cholesterol, prevented tumors and had antifungal properties. If you are considering cutting back on meat and worried that you will be too hungry, flax seeds may just be your answer. 5. High in fiber but low in carbs. One of the most extraordinary benefits of flaxseed is that flax contains high levels of mucilage gum content, a gel-forming fiber that is water-soluble and therefore moves through the gastrointestinal tract undigested. Once eaten, mucilage from flax seeds can keep food in the stomach from emptying too quickly into the small intestine, which can increase nutrient absorption and make you feel fuller. Because the fiber found in flaxseed is not able to be broken down in the digestive tract, some of the calories that flax contains won't even be absorbed. 6. Flax seeds may lower blood pressure. Studies on flax seeds have also focused on its natural ability to lower blood pressure. A Canadian study found eating 30 grams of flax seeds daily for 6 months lowered systolic and diastolic blood pressure by 10 mm of mercury and 7 mm of mercury, respectively. For those who were already taking blood pressure medication, flax seeds lowered blood pressure even further and decreased the number of patients with uncontrolled high blood pressure by 17%. Furthermore, according to a large review that looked at data from 11 studies, taking flax seeds daily for more than 3 months lowered blood pressure by 2 mm of mercury. 7. Flax seeds may improve cholesterol. Another health benefit of flax seeds is their ability to lower cholesterol levels. In one study in people with high cholesterol, consuming 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder daily for 3 months lowered total cholesterol by 17% and bad LDL cholesterol by almost 20%. Another study of people with diabetes found that taking 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder daily for 1 month resulted in a 12% increase in good HDL cholesterol. In postmenopausal women, consuming 30 grams of flax seeds daily lowered total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol by approximately 7% and 10%, respectively. These effects appear to be due to the fiber in flax seeds, as it binds to bile salts and is then excreted by the body. 8. High in omega-3 fats. If you are a vegetarian or don't eat fish, flax seeds can be your best source of omega-3 fats. They are a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, a mostly plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Alpha-linolenic acid is one of the 2 essential fatty acids that you have to obtain from the food you eat, as your body doesn't produce them. Animal studies have shown that the ALA in flax seeds prevented cholesterol from being deposited in the blood vessels of the heart, reduced inflammation in the arteries and reduced tumor growth. 9. High in antioxidants. One of the greatest benefits of flaxseed is that it's packed with antioxidants, specifically the type called lignans that are unique fiber-related polyphenols. Lignans provide us with antioxidants that help reduce free radical damage, therefore flax has anti-aging, hormonal balancing and cellular regenerating effects. They are found in unprocessed plant foods, including seeds, whole grains, beans, berries and nuts. Unhealthy lifestyle habits, such as poor gut health, smoking, antibiotics and obesity, all affect circulating lignan levels in the body, which is why a nutrient-dense diet is important for restoring level. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and make sure to subscribe. Health Tutor, because more incredible content on the way.